mates, welcome on board the brand new Disney Destiny, the newest ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. We are here for the 4-night maiden voyage inaugural sailing. Lots of fun being had here, so be sure to check out our full Disney Destiny playlist where you can find this room tour, our daily videos, as well as our full and complete ship tour where you can see all of the public venues on board this ship. But right now I want to take you around and give you a tour of our stateroom. This is just a standard inside stateroom. It does have accommodations for 3, so 3 people can stay in this room. It is on deck 2 near the kids club, and it has a Hercules theme. We'll get to that in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and get it started. Our tour of our room on board the Disney Destiny begins right now. So deck 2 all the way aft, just around the corner from the Oceaneers Club. We will see we have our Hercules symbol there and the lights as well up above. A little preview of things to come, plus the lightning bolts in the carpets. But here we find room 2129. Now, of course, these are our door decorations that we added. Those wouldn't normally be there, but this is what the room will look like on the inside. Let's take a look. Here's our view as we enter, and then we'll go over everything in detail. So turning back around at the entranceway, you can ignore the magnets on the door. Those were given to us as a gift here on Disney Cruise Line. So you may have those, you may not, but we've added those. Probably normally won't be there though. You'll find your assembly station information as well as just the lock mechanism and then your handle with the deadbolt lock down there. And then a key card slot for you to control the lights in the room, the master light control, and then this is just kind of like a little night light right there. You're also going to find a hanging hook here on this jutting out wall. Now this door to my left, this is a connecting door. If you happen to be traveling with the stateroom next to you, you can open these up so they connect. Right now it's just closed, it's locked, and that's how it will remain if you don't know the people in that room. Right when we come in, we do have a closet. This room can accommodate 3 passengers, so we'll see 3 life vests and 3 storage areas here. So a nice sized closet. And now if we continue the rest of the room, we'll first start and turn here where we'll find 1, our thermostat, but 2, our bathroom door, which does have a full-length mirror on it. Let's take a look inside. All right, and as we head into our bathroom here, we see that we do have a couple of hanging hooks on the back side of the bathroom door. And we'll head and we'll see in our beautiful tiled shower, which is a tub shower combo, and it does have the glass door. Great thing with the door is that it opens out and in, just like that easy. Up above we do have our light and fan, as well as our clothesline. It pulls right across and hooks into there. Here we have our shower head, adjustable and removable. Wand there, with our controls down below. We have our sea salt body wash, sea marine conditioner, and sea marine shampoo provided, plus a couple of additional shelves if you need to store something, as well as the handle to help you get in and out. Beyond that, we will find our toilet with our towel racks up above that. Couple of additional shelves on the side of the illuminated mirror, plus our body lotion, additional rags, and makeup washcloth as well. Our hand soap down below here at the sink. Nice kind of long vanity, just the 1 sink of course. Then we have additional storage down below, as well as our trash can and our hand towel. And then hidden up here in the corner, another hanging hook and an outlet for an electric shaver. Now you're actually going to find 2 switches in here, which first of all, I love that the switches are in here instead of outside, so it's easy to access. Main light is just going to turn the big light on and off. Night light is actually that little orange light down below, so if you want to leave that on for night light, you can. And now that we're out of the bathroom, we'll look back on the other side. We see we do have our little stool there that we can sit on, our trash and recycle. Then we're just going to have a few drawers here, some small ones, which have room service, little hanging order sheets that you can fill out, as well as some nice little keepsake gift cards, or postcards. Hair dryer in here, as well as the heat protectant mat to put out when you're using that, and the room service menu and some other information. And then we're actually going to have a pull-out refrigerated drawer as well. Up above on the desk, we'll see we have 2 switches here, one for the ceiling, that's the main ceiling lights of the room, and one for the mirror, which is this illuminated mirror right here, your main vanity mirror. Next to that, we're going to have a few shelves, store things on. Then we'll find our stateroom phone, as well as our glasses. And then tucked up on the inside here, we're going to have a European outlet, 2 American outlets, 110s, and then 2 USB-C outlets as well. Continuing on over, we find our little table that can tuck up under our couch here, and some nice themed artwork. This is a Hercules room, so this artwork matches that. Your artwork will match whatever the theme of your room is. So this can actually also convert to a sleeping bed for that 3rd guest that I mentioned. You'll notice there is no Pullman from up above, so only 3 guests in this room. And the stateroom attendant will take care of setting this up for you, but I am always just interested to show you how easy it is. Just pull that and it jackknifes right open like that. On the wall next to that, we will find our television, and this actually will come out from the wall, and you see it can kind of tilt different directions. Not a ton, doesn't have a ton of movement, but you can pull it out and kind of point it different ways should you choose to do so. And now our bed space, starting with our beautiful artwork above the bed. Of course, Hercules for this room. Your room might be Mulan or Big Hero 6. It depends on the theme of the room that you happen to get. So if you're looking for Hercules specific, you know this room will have it. We have our king size bed here. It's actually kind of close to a queen, but I think they call it a king size. It's comfortable either way. And there is storage down below as well. Now, either side, as you can see here, will have a closet space. So open this up. There are our additional life vests, storage areas, our laundry bag, and then in this closet, the pull-out safe. And more storage down below. If we hop over to this closet, we can see that this is more of just a hanging closet. Hanging rack there, and down in the middle as well. Now on either side of the bed, we're gonna find mirroring lights, so they're gonna be the same. I have it on over on this side. I wanted to show you this side. It's super easy. Just turn the knob. That simple. And then you do also have a pointable reader light, which is the knob down below. You can turn that on if you would like to use it. Now, both sides of the bed will also have these light switches, artwork and downlight. So downlight is just gonna be the kind of the ceiling lights, and then artwork is gonna be this light here pointed at your mural. This side of the bed happens to have a European outlet, but also two USBs, USB-A and a USB-C. While this side will have two American outlets and two USB-Cs, as well as the remote for the television. Both sides will have the nightstand with the small pull-out drawer. Well, there you have it, friends. That is our tour of our stateroom on board the Disney Destiny. And I'll remind you again, check out our full Disney Destiny playlist where you found this room tour video. You can also see our daily videos, as well as that full and complete ship tour if you want to know everything the Disney Destiny has to offer. And we think you would love being on board, and we would love to help make that happen. As travel agents, it would be our pleasure. We partner directly with Disney Cruise Line. We are authorized Disney vacation sellers, and our services are completely free to you. There are no charges, no fees, no costs whatsoever, and you'll never pay a single cent more to book with us than you would direct on your own. So please feel free to reach out via that travel agent information that you can find in the description of this video. And hey, even if you've recently booked your Disney cruise within the past 30 days, if you're not paid in full, you can transfer to our agency. That's also free of charge, and then we'll be able to assist you the rest of the way. So either way, we hope we will hear from you soon. Once again, thank you for joining me for today's video, but I'm signing off, and we'll see you next time. Happy travels!